Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi 13 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on OK or select Not Now and then click OK. Now tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Redmi. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Redmi, use all of those categories at the top to select multiple files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, it's time to pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive. If you want to, you can scan the QR code by clicking on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!